All right, so I'm in the middle of doing these pants for Crystal from the Drew Barrymore show. And a lot of people have asked me for this. So since I have the opportunity, I am going to share it with you. I am taking out these pants, adding a little placket on the side or like a little panel on the side. Cute, right? And it's gonna fray and be really cute. But these jeans have a lot of elasticity in them. They're stretchy. And so because of that, and a lot of you have expressed this right in the thigh area and the butt area mostly, these are getting very thin. These are some of her favorite jeans. So obviously they have gotten a lot of wears out of them. And that's, what all fabric does. It wears away. We rub it, you know, there's a number of rubs that every material has. The more elasticity that a fabric has, the less you can rub it and it still exists. Right at the seam, it is pretty much gone. So I'm going to have to take these in just a little bit in order to ensure that her seam doesn't fail. But even right underneath the seam, like, it is pretty much almost worn out. Like, you can see the difference between this and this. Afraid that all that I'm doing to help her to be able to wear these pants for a longer time is going to be useless if I don't do anything right here. This is just something simple. It's a no-sew thing. I have some interfacing. It's a lightweight interfacing. The only thing is it doesn't have any stretch, so I'm going to be really careful how much of this I put in. I don't want to put too much. I just want to put in a triangle there and a triangle on that side, and it's just really just to help these jeans to get a little bit more wear out of them. And I'm just gonna iron it in. It has like these little almost like beads or like little shiny side on this side. That's the side that goes down. You do not iron that side. So I'm going to place that part down. The soft side goes up, and I'm going to get my iron and iron that down. And again, this is the Steam Fast mini iron. I got it on Amazon, or my mom bought it for me on Amazon. I will put the link in the description box. All right, let's see how it makes them look on the other side. Okay, I don't even think you can tell a difference. You can also, if you've already gotten a little rip, like the thighs have started to already open up. Like here, you can see it. It's already starting to open up. You could still add this. And you can add it to any place, like to the knees, to the, any place. Okay, and since I do still have these open, I am going to go ahead and just sew the seam just to give her a little bit more chance on these seams. I'm gonna bring it in just a hair, just to save those seams a little bit. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Definitely hit that subscribe button down below and turn on all notifications so you don't miss a thing. If you're loving these upcycles, you don't want to miss what we do next. This Dream Pinterest wardrobe series that we're working on is absolute fire, so you don't want to miss it. And if you need a little bit of help in your upcycles to plan them out, I do have a digital as well as a hard copy planner that's available for purchase. I'll put the links up and down below. And if you're already a subscriber and you want to be a member, you want behind the scenes as well as extra content, or maybe you want online one-on-one classes with me, definitely hit that join button down below to learn more.